Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the data type for an attribute in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The data set that we'll be using today is the Complete Pokemon data set. So I'm going to first drag and drop this data set into my Tableau Public Desktop session. And then on this page here, which shows a summary of the data set, we can see that there's different fields in the bottom right-hand corner, like abilities, against bug, against dark, and so on. Now, this icon above the attribute name is the data type that the field has been loaded in. So for example, against bug here, we can see it's a number. If we click on it, we can see the different data types like decimal number, whole number, date, Boolean, and so on. If I wanted to change this to a string, I can click on the string option, and this will change this data attribute type to a string. And this can be applied to any attribute that you load for a data set that's loaded into Tableau Public Desktop Edition. So there you have it. This is how you can change the data type for an attribute in a data set that you have loaded into Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.